on board is run and flight FR 8850 going to Stansted. If Stansted is not your destination, please identify yourself to the crew.
And the journey begins.
Upon our arrival in England, we took a 1-hour taxi ride to the car's location, had a good look at the car, decided to buy it, and then drove 2 hours down to the Eurotunnel in Folkestone. Did all that off camera because we were on a very tight schedule to catch the last train to France for the night. As you can notice, these are miniature models of the Eurotunnel, which I thought was a very nice feature in the terminal. From the gigantic core drill to the initial layout of the whole setup and the complete terminal from inside out.
Some weird urinals with no privacy at all. 3 hours in the UK, Eurotunnel 1.5 hours, and another 3 hours in France. Just stop to take breakfast for a couple of minutes, rest a bit, and tiring but fun.
both extremely tired of all the driving, so we decided to find a hotel for the night, to have time to recharge and continue our journey in the morning.
We are in Switzerland. It's not that cold. I don't know how. They say it's a very cold country, but I'm good. It's very nice. This is so amazing. We'll continue our driving journey.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Another 6 hours driving. Just had something to eat. Now more driving.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
And we are finally here. Sicily. near the ferry boat to Malta. Long drive.
Xejri. Bravo. Bravo. Naħseb ta' passaj. Xejn. Ejja huwa dablu, ġej. Ejja ġej.
On the ferry now. 2.5 hours more and back in Malta.